Creating a form or a survey that you want to give to your class. Go into Google Docs. At the top, above Home, you'll see Create. We're going to create a form. Once we click on Create a Form, we see the same familiar editing page that we saw when we were editing the form. First thing we're going to do is give it a title. We can include any text here to help people fill it out. The first two questions, if we don't want a text-based, but a good rule of thumb is to have this be name, and then to tell them if you want to do first comma last or last comma first. Make it a required question, then go to question 2. Question 2, we're going to go ahead and edit it. This time we're going to make it a paragraph text, and we're going to ask an open-ended question. Tell us more about your classroom. For example, we could give help text here on what it would look like. Paragraph text, again, if you want to make it required, make it required. We also have 7 different types of questions that we can ask. There are advanced features such as section headers and page breaks that we'll not get into here, but we will look at how to create a multiple choice question. We'll click on multiple choice, ask the question, then we give the options, option A, so we can say yes, no, and maybe. Make this one a required question, and then click done. Go to the next one. This one's going to be a checkbox. That allows folks to choose more than one response. So again, we'll ask the question, say yes, no, yes because of X, and then click done. So now folks could actually say yes and yes because of X, or no. Choose another item. Scale allows us to go on a scale of 1 to 5. How would you rate this? Rate this question. Here we say the scale. Labels are optional. 1 is low, 5 is high. And then we click on make it a required question, and done. We can change the theme. Click on theme. This will take us through different themes that are default. For this one, we're going to choose flower power. Apply, and done. Now, it automatically was saved. I can edit my confirmation and say thank you. I appreciate your time. Or I can direct them to a link, or I can direct them to another thing that's coming up. Click on save, and there you go. Next thing to do is I can email this form directly to folks, or I can save it, and then we're going to show how to link it in the next video.